Introducing the perfect blend of luxury and efficiency, the petrol plug-in hybrid electric estate. Experience ultimate comfort with features like air conditioning, cruise control, and satellite navigation. Stay connected with Bluetooth phone, USB to 12V power outlets, and internet connection. Drive with peace of mind thanks to safety features such as ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. And with stylish touches like chrome package and roof rails, you'll turn heads wherever you go. This vehicle also comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and includes a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit our website at spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information today.